Good evening, Professor. So today I have just made the assignment number 3. In this assignment, I have to make application and one MVC application just like the Stack Overflow. So I will first like to run the application, going through all the functionality, and later I'll explain each and every line of the code. So I have already made the application over here, so I'll just run over here and wait for the browser to open and run the application. So, all right. So initially, I have not registered with any user. I have not. I would like to go through the registration part and then log in and then all the functionalities. So for that, I'll just click on the register button. Then I'll write all whatever name I want to write. I'll just write like Umang over here, and I have performed the validation over here. So and also added the bootstrap over here. So if the name is good according to the regular expression that I have given, it will automatically turn into the green line, that text box, and if it is not good, it will turn into the red box and display me a validation message according to that. And then I'll just write an email as anything like umang@red.com, and then I have his phone number like 789-856-9856. That looks good. And then I'll just create a password for him, and I'll just enter a password 1234, and I will just click on the register button. And if everything goes well according to the regular expression, it will log me into the application over here. So as you can see over here that Umang has been logged in. And then over here I have all the questions right now which was posted in our MVC application. So I have two questions right now: how to add React in the project, and one is also display icons. So first of all, I would like to go for the any of the question right now. I will just enter on the. I'll just click on the how to add React in the project question. So right now you can see that my views are 6 views. So whenever I'll click on this question, it will automatically turn into the 7. So I'll click on this, and over here I have all the details for this question. Like over here I have question over here. This is my category. This is by the name who has created this forum, and this is the time when he has created this question. And this one is like how many views are available in the are already in this question. And here also I have a vote functionality that you have asked into the assignment. And this is the answer. This is the answer that somebody has provided. So over here Sahil has provided the answer for this question. So I am returning those details over here. So he has just write the answer for the question is like you can use npm to add React into the project. So I have all the details for the answer over here. And if I find this answer as a useful, so then I'll just click on this upvote, and it will turn from -1 to 0. And I can add my answer to for this question. So I just like enter for the enter like you can add yarn to add React in your project. That's the simple answer for the question. Then I'll just click the add answer button over there, and then my answer has already been over here. So if I have created that answer, I don't have that functionality for the upward and downward for that. And I can also do not edit the other's answer too. So I can just edit my answer. So I'll just click on the edit, and I'll just write that use yarn instead of npm. And then I'll just hit the update button, and it will update the answer over here. And it has been created by me, so it is writing like by you over here, and the date and time that I have added the answer. And then I'll go into the category. So I have 3 categories right now available available for this MVC application. In this application, you have not asked for the code first approach. So over here in this application, I have implemented this application with database first approach. So I have added all the data into the database for the like static data like like the categories and all just categories for that. And then I'll go into the question. I can add another question by clicking on the add question button over here. I can have any question over here like I am no, how to add style in HTML, and then I can select any of the categories that is available right now. So I'll just go click on the CSS and then hit the add question. So my question has been added, and after clicking on that add question method button, I am just gonna be redirect to the home questions, home controller and question views. So my question has been already posted, and it doesn't have any views right now, and it doesn't have any votes right now. So that's I think that's home. Over here you can find all the question. I have set the limit for 10 question. You can see it into the home control, into the home controller of index view over here. And that's contact is just the normal content. Content about is also a normal content. And then I have a drop down method over here. I can change the profile. I cannot edit the email ID. I can just only change the phone number and name. So I'll just change from Umang to like Umang Patel, and then I'll just click on the update profile, and it will automatically update the name over here. And I can also search the question from here. So I can like I will just enter the style, and then I'll click on the search button. Whatever question contains the style substring that will written on this page, and I can just click on that. The view just has been turned into one, and if no answer is available right now, I can have this message over here like that, no answers yet. Then I can just go into the change profile I have already shown to you, and then I can have like I haven't implemented the change password, so I'll just remove that method from here, and then I'll just click on the logout button over here, and it will kick the Umang Patel out of the system right now. So that's it. Now I have another user ID, so I can enter with that for that user ID. And then I'll just hit the enter, and the question for the Umang just as posted, it has been appeared onto the home page over here. So I'll just click on that. It has no answer, but right now the one view has been created by the Umang, and the second view is created by me. So just right now from the Sahil. So I'll just add answer for that, add a link tag for that. I'll just click on the add answer, and as I have provided that answer, so I cannot have any upward or downward button over here. And then I will go into the another question from here, and then I will like go into the add, and then someone just Umang Patel just has entered this answer, so I can see his name and the date right now, just like 5 minutes before, and I can have like upward and downward. So I think this answer is correct. So I can just provide him upward for that answer, and that right now it has just turned from 0 to 1, and that's all the functionality that you have asked for. And now I would like to go through the code and explain